I have bring you a new strategy on how you can create a YouTube channel. Hello, this is my channel. My name is Felix. So I'm here to guide you on how to create a YouTube channel. Please don't skip this video. This video is for you, so that you don't make a mistake on when you are creating your own account, when you are creating your own YouTube channel. Before I start, this is the first time I'm in YouTube. Subscribe. Okay, so we are going to use Chrome. We want to use Chrome on this thing. We are not using YouTube Studio for us to create a YouTube channel. Okay, so and I'll teach you one after the other and break it down one after the other for you to understand. Okay, so everything I'm teaching you here is real. I will teach you and guide you very well. Okay, so the ones that you don't understand, please give me a comments in the comment section. Let's dive into this video. Click on Chrome, type studio dot youtube.com. Click send. Click continue. Tap on continue to studio. That's open. And the thing is opened now. You can zoom it. A little bit, so that you see what I'm doing here. Okay, then you click on customize. You see there is a banner image. Then you click here. You choose something like upload. Then you put your banner image here and upload it. The other one is picture. You have to put your picture here, so that the audience will know that the person that is here is the owner of the channel. Okay, another one is the name. If the name that is here that you don't like it, you can change the name. This one is the handle. You can also change the handle. This one, another is description. Description will help you algorithm to understand what your channel is all about, so that when you upload video, they will know what to send to your audience to watch. Add a link. You can add a link, like you can add your Facebook link or your WhatsApp link, Twitter link. They say contact information. That contact information they are saying is that you have to put your email. Yes, you have to put your email here, and make sure that the email you are putting there is not the same email you use and create your channel. Okay, so that is you will not put the email that you use and create your channel here. You have to use another email to put here. So because of if you use the same email you use and create your channel, they might hack your account. They will hack it. So that is why you will not use the same email you use and create your channel and add there. Okay, so the next one is you go to setting. You see general. That means the currency you want to use. If it's US, you can use it. If it's naira, you can use it. If it's pounds, you can use it. But me, I prefer using USD. So the next one is channel. So the first is base information. So my country of residence, I just use United States. There what I use, because why I use this United States, because of I want my views, that people that I want to watch my video, like my views should be coming from US. I don't want it to be coming from Nigeria, because of if you are having views from Nigeria, and when you go to monetize on your account, let me just say, and they're posting, we still getting views from Nigeria, and there's difference between US. There's difference between US views and Nigerian views. The same amount they will pay you in the US views is not the same amount they will pay you in Nigeria views. Okay, that's why I use it. That's why I use this United States. Okay, the next one is keywords. Yes, there's another thing that I can also push your video. Anything that you created, is it cooking, anything. Let me just say you want to, let me just say you say maybe your channel is all about teaching how to cook food. Maybe you can just you can just come and just write food, or just maybe just look for a good keyword that will fit your on what you are teaching, and put there, so that when people search your video, even though they did not get the the title of that video, but through this keyword, YouTube algorithm can push it for them to see it. Yes, that is it. So the next one is advanced setting. If your video is meant for kids, then you put it meant for kids. If your video is not meant for kids, then you set it not then you set it this channel is not meant for kids. Okay, so this one is future illegality. You click on it, you can see, you will make sure that these three things are in a green color. Yes, you make sure, if three of them they are not in a green color, that means your channel have a problem. Yes, you have to find a way to solve the problem. Okay, so the next one is the next one is permission. This one is permission. That permission means, if you want, like the channel that you created, if you don't, if it's not your only you that want to still use the same channel, you can still add the person, that you can still add another person at once. You can still invite friend. Sure, anybody can come into your account and upload video. The next one is community direction. Your community direction, you make sure you check if your comment is on or off. If you don't want people to comment on your video, then you go to that that comment box and click on the place off it. But if you want people to comment on your video, leave it on. Another one is message in live chat. Yes, leave it in normal. You leave it in normal. The next one is base. You have to you click on it, then you click on normal. Let them be normal. Okay, then you click hold comments with hashtag and URLs for viewers for review. Okay, then you click save. If you see this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Okay.